बैक टू बेसिक्स के लास्ट पार्ट में हमने देखा था अबाउट द डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस। डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस कैसे होते हैं, उनके टाइप्स क्या होते हैं, उनके ऑपरेशंस क्या होते हैं। टुडे इन दिस पार्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड टू द डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस। ओके, this is very important concept which is considered for the competitive exams. So we will take some questions from the previous competitive exams. So let's have the question. Suppose the question is, arrange the fractions 5 by 8, 7 by 12, 13 by 16, 16 by 29 and 3 by 4 in ascending order of magnitude. Now we are given with the fractions whom we have to arrange. Neither their numerators are same nor their denominators are same. So we have discussed in the previous example, in the last part, that if we can convert these fractions into decimals, then it will become easier for us to convert them, to arrange them in ascending or descending order. So let's check how these numbers, how these fractions can be converted into decimal. Now this 5 by 8, देखिए ध्यान से, 5 by 8, if I divide 5 by 8, so what I will get here, let's check. I will divide it actually. So we have the first fraction as 5 by 8. So if I am dividing 5 by 8, what I'll get, see, we know that 5 is not divisible by 8, so we'll have to write a 0 here. As I write here, so I'll have to write here 0 point. Clear? And we know 6 8s are 48, so we'll get here 48, subtract 50 minus 48 is 2. Again if I write here 0, I'll get here 8 2s are 16, so if I write here 2, so I'll get here 16, minus 20 minus 16 is 4. If I write here 0, I'll get here 8 5s are 40. So because there is no further remainder, 0 is the remainder, so what we can say, that 5 by 8 is nothing but 0.625. we got the decimal fraction of the first number. Okay, now second number is 7 by 12. Let's have it, 7 by 12. Same way, 7 is dividing itself by 12. Because we know that 12 will not be dividing 7, so we'll have to write 0. So 0 point, because we have brought a 0, 0.12 5s are 60, because 12 6s are 72, so we'll not do that. 60, subtract 10, and again we know that 12 will not divide 10, so we'll write 0. So what we'll get here, if I write 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84 and 12 8s are 96, so I'll get here 4 and 0. Again if I divide 12 3s are, so I'll get here 36 and again 4, so this will continue. Can you see here? So 3 3 3 3 will continue. So what I came to know, that 7 by 12 is nothing but 0.583 ... okay, means 3 is repeating itself. Yes, at least it will give the idea that 0.58 ये कहाँ लाई करता है, ये इसके पहले या इसके बाद में, इतना तो हमें समझ में आता है. Next number is, can we see, 13 by 16. So we'll do 13 by 16 division, 13 by 16. So I have to divide 13 by 16. Clear? So if I divide 13 by 16, I know I'll have to write 0, and if I write 0, so I'll have to write here 0 point. Now 16 stable we must know here. What? So we know 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112 and 16 8s are 128. So we will do 16 8s are 128. What will get here? 2 0. Okay, so again 16 ones are 16 minus, so we'll get 4 0. Now we have 16 twos are 32, because more than that will not be able to divide. We'll get here 8 and 0, and we know that 16 fives are 80. So division stopped here. So we can write here 13 by 16 as 0.8125. Clear? Now from the division, from the fraction itself, you can see that this is terminating. ये रुक जा रहा है, 625 के बाद रुक जा रहा है, ये चलता जा रहा है, इसे क्या कहते हैं? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. ये फिर रुक जा रहा है, यानी टर्मिनेटिंग. ओके, देन वी हैव नेक्स्ट नंबर 16 by 29. So let's check. by 29. So let's divide 16 by 29. So we have, again it will not divide, so 29. Now 29 is stable, we must know. Now 29 stable, a bit tricky. 29 ones are 29, so we'll come to know 2s are 58, 3s are 87, 4s are 116, 5s are 145. So 5s are 145, will be able to divide 145. So what we'll get here? 15, and we'll add 0. Again 150, so is this, again it will go by 5. So 145. What we'll get here? 150 minus 45, 5 0. 29 ones are is 29, twos are is 58, which is greater, so ones are 29. So what we'll get here? 50 minus 29, it will come out 21. 21, if I write 210, so I'll get 7s are 203. So this way it is not, it will take long time. It means number of calculations it will take, so around 5517, and it is going on. So at least we got the idea that 16 by 29 will come out to be 0.5517 dot dot. Means it is it may stop further, but it will take time, at least 4 8s we are sure. 5517 after decimal. Okay, and 3 by 4, very easily we can write that 3 by 4 can be written as 0.75. Okay, 0.75. Now from the all the decimals we can come to know that which number is the smallest. देखिए 5 by 8, 7 by 12, 13 by 16, 16 by 29, 3 by 4. इनमें सबसे छोटा डेसिमल एक्सप्रेशन किसका है? देखिए ये है, ये देखिए 0.55 या 0.58. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि किसका है ये. सो 0.5517. उसके बाद कौन आएगा? देखिए 0.583 और डॉट. उसके बाद 58 के बाद में ये है 0.625 और 0.625 के बाद 0.75, 0.75 के बाद 0.8125. यानी जो हम फ्रैक्शन में अगर इसे लिखें तो हमें क्या पता है? सबसे पहले 0.5517 किसका है? ये 16 by 29. Then 0.583 is of 7 by 12. Then 0.625 is of 5 by 8. Then 0.75 is of 3 by 4, and at the last 0.8125 is of 13 by 16. So it may appear to be an easy task, but yes, it's not difficult, but it is time consuming. It will test your patience. For example, जब हम इस तरह के नंबर का डिवीजन करते हैं, देखिए 29 से हम 16 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. So yes, definitely it will take time. So this way this division is possible. Hope the division, how we have arranged the numbers is clear to all. This type of question definitely comes in competitive exam where we have to do it mentally. So इसके लिए हम mentally कैसे कर सकते हैं ताकि हमारे अगर कैलकुलेशन फास्ट होंगे तो definitely we will be able to earn. For that our tables should be very clear. Okay, so if we are taking that much time, so that means if you are calculating fast, definitely the answers can be faster as compared. Okay, so in the next part we'll take some more examples based on this method. In this part we'll stop here. Take care.